Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send contact and distribution groups through Outlook email. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your contacts and other features within Outlook. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the bottom left part of your screen. Here you'll see 4 different icons representing various sections of Outlook. Look for the icon that shows 2 people. This is your contacts menu. Click on it to proceed. This section houses all your saved contacts and any distribution groups you've created, making it easy to manage and share contact information. After your contact menu opens, take a moment to locate the specific contact or distribution group you want to send through email. The process is exactly the same whether you're sharing a single contact or an entire distribution group, so either option works perfectly fine. For this tutorial, we'll send a contact through email. Once you've found the contact you wish to share, simply right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this list of options, hover your cursor over the option labeled Forward Contact. When you do this, the menu will expand, revealing 2 different methods for sending your contact or distribution group. You can send it either as a business card or as a contact card. Both formats work well, but a business card is typically more formal and professional, while a contact card provides a straightforward view of the contact details. Simply choose whichever option best suits your needs. After selecting your preferred format, an email composition window will automatically appear. You'll immediately notice that the contact information you selected has been automatically attached to this email, which saves you time and ensures accuracy. Now all you need to do is fill in the email content, add a subject line that clearly describes what you're sending, and enter the recipient's email address. Once you've completed these fields, go ahead and send the email with the contact or distribution group information attached. And that's it. You've successfully sent contact and distribution group information through Outlook email, making it easy to share important contact details with colleagues, clients, or anyone else who needs them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.